What's cracking? Today I'm making blueberry scones and some icing. They're about 4 grams of net carbs per, and they're awesome.
So we're going to do 2 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of any kind of sweetener that you use, like monk fruit, stevia. We're going to do a 1/4 cup of coconut flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and about a teaspoon or so of some sea salt. All right, now we mix everything together. We just kind of whisk it together. Get it all nice and mixed in there. Make sure that baking powder is all throughout. All right, now I'm gonna do 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 1/2 tablespoon of some vanilla extract. And we're gonna blend this all together. Okay, next we're gonna go ahead and mix our egg batter into our flour, folding it through. I like to use like a silicone spatula. And then I have about, I don't know, 1/2 cup, 3/4 cup of some blueberries. We're gonna mix all of this in together. I've poured it in. Now essentially I'm, like I said, with the spatula here, I'm just gonna kind of blend it all and fold it in together until we get a nice consistent dough. And I'm about to start to pour the blueberries in here. So I go ahead and put it on some parchment paper. What I'd like to do is try to get maybe like an 8 by 10 rectangle. Kind of a pain, so I like to layer another sheet of parchment paper on top, and I'm just going to use a rolling pin to try to get the shape that I want and thickness. Alright, so that's about the shape that we want. Could be a little bit better, but this is fine. And now we're going to go ahead and cut this. I tried to make squares. I made 6 squares, and then I cut those 6 squares diagonally to make 12 triangles. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven for about 20-25 minutes. And I have it set at 325. I'm going to make some frosting. So I'm going to do 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of some butter. I did about 1/2 cup of sweetener. And do a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and a teaspoon of some vanilla extract. Feeding the cream cheese and the butter together with the hand mixer. Then we're going to mix in the creamer, then the vanilla, and then finally the sugar. Now that that's all whipped and done, we're going to go ahead and check on those scones. They should be done about now. Yeah, these bad boys are done. So we're going to go ahead and get these iced up and plated. So I basically just use a spoon, put a little dab on it, and slide them around and let that kind of melt and ooze all over that. Now you're gonna have extra, like this is about how much extra I have, but you know what I like to do? I like to save some of this, put it in a jar, and I just throw it in my coffee. It's pretty good. So now that we're done with that, I think I'm gonna take this one step further. I did. For half of these, I topped them as well with some unsweetened coconut flakes. Now we're gonna get these plated and let these cool for about 20 minutes. We're all done. This is our final product. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be back with some more awesome meals. Thanks for watching.